Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in Chinoiserie Chic. Come on with me, guys. So it is the day after Christmas. I hope everybody had an amazing day. I know I did. So let's get started. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are moving full speed ahead in 2024. Playlist is already done, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Ameythst Adventures. Now, very shortly, I will be releasing a video for the calendar of open collaborations for the month of January. Can you believe we made it through 2023? And we're certainly going to make it through 2024. Amen. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate my table, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, because Chinoiserie Chic is pretty much a statement piece all by itself, I tried to go as simple as I could. Now, a lot of the pieces on the table were thrifted items from the Salvation Army. The golden snowflakes on the table did come from Dollar General. That tall vase in the center there was a thrifted item, I believe, from the Salvation Army. The flatware came from Aldi. I was very happy to get that. Then we have the chargers that came from the Dollar Tree. And I believe the napkins were thrifted items also. So overall, this was a budget-friendly, absolutely gorgeous tablescape. Now don't forget, guys, that every time you click that like button, you full watch the video, even share the video. This helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. So those beautiful blue glasses, they came from Home Goods. Okay, so I am lighting the candle, so you know what that means. We're heading on over to the reveal. Now I did drape a silver sequins right over that chair. It was perfect. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and have a happy, happy, happy New Year. Be safe and God bless you.